In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a motor carrier certificate number. By the end, you'll know what information you need and how to submit your application to the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles, or TxDMV. First, you'll need a user account. On the login page, click Sign Up. Enter your first name, last name, and a valid email address. This is where you'll get updates about your application. Click Create Account. Check your email for a link to finish setting up your account. Click that link to create your password. Your password must include at least one number, one uppercase letter, and one special character. Now you're ready to begin. Click the TxDMV certificate number box. Read and accept the terms, then confirm that you are a motor carrier. Enter your company's USDOT number, Employer Identification Number, EIN, and, if you have one, your Texas Secretary of State file number. Your USDOT and EIN numbers must match your federal motor carrier record. If they don't match, you'll get an error. Click Continue. Check that your address and contact information are correct. If anything's wrong, you'll need to update it through TxMCCS before continuing here. Click Next. Choose your business type and enter its ID numbers, like your tax ID or FEIN. Don't worry, you can update this later, even after you submit your application. Click Next. If your company's physical address is outside Texas, you'll need a Texas agent, someone in Texas who can receive mail on your behalf. Enter their name and address here. If this doesn't apply to you, the application will skip this step automatically. Note that all addresses are checked against USPS records. If an address can't be verified, you'll need to confirm it's correct before moving on. The system checks your federal record to see if you're an intrastate or interstate carrier. If you're interstate, it will also check your Unified Carrier Registration, or UCR status. If you're not compliant, you'll be told to register through UCR. This step may look different to you, depending on your carrier type and UCR status. Review the information for accuracy and continue to the next step if eligible. Pick how long you need your certificate for. A standard registration period is 1 or 2 years, or 7 or 90 days for shorter trips. Review your cargo type summary. If it's correct, click Next. If it's not correct, update it through TxMCCS first. Each cargo type lists its insurance requirements. Click on a type if you want to learn more. Now add each vehicle that will operate under the certificate. Click Add Vehicle. Enter the VIN, then press Tab or click to another field. The system checks the VIN against the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA records. If verified, the year, make, and model will fill in automatically. If not verified, you'll enter these fields yourself, and you'll see a warning that the VIN wasn't verified. Either way, also enter the unit number, seating capacity, if it applies, and whether you own or lease the vehicle. Repeat for each vehicle, and continue to the next step when you are done. Answer the drug test questionnaire. Depending on your answers, you may see follow-up questions. If asked, enter the name of the company that performs your drug tests. Continue to the next step. Answer each question on the final questionnaire. If you answer yes to a question, you'll be asked for more details. Enter your name and job title, then click Next. Review the final summary page carefully. If you need to fix something, go back to that step. When everything looks correct, check the box certifying that your information is true, then click Submit Application. Your application goes to TxDMV for review. Watch your email for updates. You'll typically get a confirmation that your application is under review, a follow-up if they need more information, and a final notice, approved or denied. Once you are approved, contact your insurance provider. They'll need to log into TxMCCS, find your company, and add your insurance details. Once your insurance provider submits your policy or policies, you'll get a notification. Now you're ready to pay. Follow the link in that email to sign into TxMCCS. Review your outstanding charges. Typically, you'll see a new application fee of $100, an insurance filing fee of $100, and A per-vehicle fee per registration year. For example, one vehicle for a 1-year registration costs $10. That same vehicle for a 2-year registration costs $20. Click Make a Payment. Select all line items. You must pay your certificate application in full. Choose to pay by credit card or ACH. Click Pay and Submit to continue to the payment portal. You will be redirected to the payment portal. Name and billing address are required. Phone and email are optional. Note that you'll get a payment receipt at your email on file either way. Entering an email here just sends you an extra confirmation directly from the payment portal versus TxMCCS. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Submit. You've completed your application for a motor carrier certificate number. Once your payment goes through, you'll receive 2 updates, a notice that your certificate number has been issued, and a payment receipt. You can return to the payments page anytime to confirm each line item was paid. To view your certificate number and other company details, go to the company's page. From here, you can manage your certificate and registered vehicles or open a support ticket with TxDMV.